Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you for coming back to the channel. As you saw, we got the spaces in and we got some LED light bulbs since one of my fog lights is burnt, so I might as well just change both of them. So yeah, let's see if we could get this fitment on point today. Yo, I don't get tired of that cold start, bro. It's like music to my ears. But I'm gonna go even louder soon, so stay tuned for that video. Should be happening soon. I want to apologize in advance for the audio if it's bad because of the wind and shit. Because I know my last video was.
A few inches later.
So I decided to go with 1-inch spaces all around. Even though the back really didn't need it that much, I wanted to make the car look more aggressive, so I'm gonna just full send it, bro. You should always thread it on first with your fingers, that way you don't cross thread. And, you know, fuck up all your threads like how I did before. So here's the rear without the spacer. It's kind of tucked in because the car is lopsided. But here it is with the spacer.
Damn! Jesus.
So I already know I gotta adjust the camera, so I'm gonna just do it now while the car's up. All I gotta do is spin this right here, loosen this, spin this, and it should move. So as you move this, the whole assembly moves. There's also this little Allen screw right there. You gotta loosen that before you start adjusting this. Alright, so I adjusted the camber. I'm about to drop it right now, but I need an alignment, like bad. My toe and the back is like so off. It's crazy. Yeah, I think you can see it. This shit is a force. Force. To be honest, I don't even know how to. I don't know how to fuck with the toe. So, and I added the spacer in the front, so the front is poking out more. Bro, this shit is horrible. This toe is crazy. It's about to be like wobbly, wobble. Alright, this is the front. Let's see. Damn, bro. Look, it's right there. I just gotta go lower, but I can't go lower. Yo, this back though, I'm scared. Yeah, I need more camber, bro. So if you know how to just tow, come to my house right now because I need you. Because I don't know how to, so come through. Even though by the time you see this video, I'll be all set, but come to my house, I need help. What are you looking at? So it's been like an hour or so since I last recorded. I hit up a couple people to see what's up. I'm gonna line it tomorrow. We're gonna give it a try. If not, I'm gonna have to get either a smaller spacer. If I buy an aftermarket tow arm, I gotta buy a one-piece one-piece bag for the rear because I have the two-piece, the strut, and the actual bag separate. So I'd need a one-piece. So fuck that. I'll just get a smaller spacer. So here's how it's looking. I feel like once I get the toe fixed, and then this side of the wheel goes in, it should go in, just tuck right there. So I'll leave it like that for now, and then tomorrow, once I get the alignment, we go from there. Bruh, this shit looks retarded. But the fronts look on point though. Other than that little wheel gap right there. It's gotta go, it's gotta go. I don't like it, I don't like it. I don't like it, I don't like it. So I finished the other side. It's just as bad as the first side. The fronts ain't too bad, but I have a little gap right there that I need to kill somehow. Now I'm gonna quickly install the LED lights for the fog lights, and I'm done for today. Alright, if you're trying to get to this front fog light, there's one of those plastic clips right there, and three number 10s down here, 3 bolts, and this, you gotta finagle in here, and the bulb's right there. Bruh, that was like the hardest shit to get to, bro. But anyways, the old one versus new. Alright, so peeped up before. Right there. And the after. The passenger side is, I don't know if it's easier or harder, but you just gotta go through the bottom of the fender line, like under the bumper, because I forgot what was here, but there's something here blocking the way, so you gotta go through the bottom. I already have it right there. Alright, I got the old one out finally. Let's clip it now. There you go. Here she is. Looks so much cleaner like this.
2 hours later.
Alright, so it's nighttime. I'm gonna show you real quick how the lights look. Nice, nice.
Why you do that? Oye, ustedes nomás en las fotos.
¡Ay, que la boca! ¡Ay, que la boca! Oye, pues sí, pues sí. No. ¡Ay, la boca! ¡Que estoy haciendo algo! ¡Hablo! Coño, usted no tiene respeto, Oye, pero tomorrow I will see you guys tomorrow. Cállese.
Pero muchachos, tú no me estás hablando bien así, ¿verdad que no?
¡Sí! ¡Sí! ¡Tíralo! But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow, bro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one, right?
Tomorrow.
What's going on, guys? So it's the next day. I decided just to take out the spaces I have now. I ordered some smaller ones, and yeah, so I'm back to this, to how I was before. So once I get the other spaces and whatnot, I'll throw those on, and then I'll just get an alignment, and then I should be good from there. So I'm back to how I was. The fronts are good. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that. So while I wait for that, I think I'm gonna go to a muffler shop and get what I need to get done. That way I can throw on my diffuser and all that stuff. I'm trying to bang all this out because, you know, car season's like right down the street, so I'm trying to bang all this out, get this car ready. Yeah. And oh yeah, what you guys saw on the trunk setup, like all those messy wires and stuff, it's not gonna stay like that. I already cut my beauty board and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm just waiting for the fabrics to come in. That way I can wrap that and then throw it in. You won't see none of those wires and none of that stuff. Stay tuned, keep watching. You know this shit gonna be lit. This is almost gonna be lit, bro. So keep watching, bro. Keep watching, bro. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah. Hasta la vista, baby.